I'm investing £5 a day into 3 different portfolios on Trading 212. It's day 28, which means £140 invested into each pie for £420 invested in total. I've been on holiday for a week and came home to something very unexpected if you've been watching the series so far. All 3 pies are in the green. As always, pause the video and look above me for the tickers and weightings in each pie. From worst to best performer then, NasWorld is up 0.17% or 24p overall. JGGI still not quite back to parity, down 1.69%, and one of only 2 tickers in the red this update. EQQQ and DGRW on the other hand faring well, up 1.32% and 0.93% respectively. Next up is our benchmark FTSE All World ETF making up the Own the World pie, a reflection of the global market, 1.48% to the good for an unrealised gain of £2.07p. The main talking point, however, is the chips and houses pie after a huge week for AI stocks. The pie as a whole up 2.59% with the US market still live for the day. We'll talk about one struggling stock in the pie first though, AMD down a whopping 4.64%, failing to see the surge that others did. Our safer stocks in Realty Income and Main Street Capital are faring better however, up 1.68% and 1.03% respectively, with a dividend on the way from Main landing in a few days' time. Nvidia and Palantir also see green this update, 0.7% and 3.15% respectively. But the huge winner this week, up a mighty 17.2%, is Broadcom. An extremely solid Q3 earnings has seen the stock jump up in price over the past week. Whilst the price is at a premium, however, it does mean that our cost base each day when our £5 goes in will rise, meaning that short term we might actually end up worse off if the stock loses momentum. But that's the joys of dollar cost averaging each day. You catch the highs and the lows for a less volatile cost basis in the long run. Overall then, from our £420 invested, we're up £5.84 or 1.39%. On screen now, you can see the changes from last update on day 20 with all 3 pies in the green. And as expected, chips and houses fluctuating the most from worst performer to best performer in the space of a week. That's it for day 28. Click the link in the description if you want to sign up to Trading 212 and we'll both get a free share worth up to £100. Follow for more updates as we approach the 1 month mark.